Hello and welcome to the Maximo Performance Monitoring tool. This is the desktop version of the tool and I will now give a demonstration on how this should be used. This is also available in mobile format and also in a written PDF document. If we begin by logging in, if you enter the given username for this piece of monitoring tool and click login, you will now be taken to the home page. As you can see at the top, there is a banner displaying the page that you are on. This is concurrent throughout the entire document, throughout the entire application. You will now see that it welcomes you with your username. There is a system status readout from the Maximo database to indicate that it is running. There is also an indication that administration mode is turned off and that the current system is BPD test. These details are all taken from the Maximo database. You will see below there are 5 options to take you to varying parts of the application. The most crucial part of this is the View Performance. This button takes you to the View Performance page, which brings back all of the specified performance queries. There is also the option to view the queries that are in the system. This allows selection of one at a time and to view the individual query. There is also the ability to upload a new query and to edit a query. These options are very similar and they will be explained later. By clicking the BPD Zenith logo at any point in time, you will be returned back to the home page. There is also a link at the bottom of each page for if you require further help to consult the PDF document attached. We'll begin by looking at the View Performance. If you click here, it can take up to 10 seconds to return back the data, as there is a large amount of data to be returned back. You can now see that at the top it has returned back a user count of 4. This has been taken from the database. Beneath are PowerShell scripts that have been executed and the data has been read back. You can see that each file name has been included to show you what has been returned, and then a short description and the value of the query. At the bottom there are 5 custom fields. These have not been filled in for the purposes of demonstration. They are for individual users to assign their own queries. If there was something on there that you did not like, you have the ability to send a notification email to another user. If you click here to notify, you will be taken to the Send Notification Email page. You can now send an email to any given valid email address. Something like that is a valid email message, and by clicking the Send Email button, you can now see that the email was sent successfully. Again, if you required further help, click on the Need Help, click here, or alternatively click the BPD Zenith logo to return back to the home page. We will now look at the View Queries part of the application. By clicking here, you are given the option to choose from any one of all of the queries that are built into this application. For the purposes of this test, we will look at the Java Memory Used query. This is a PowerShell script, and by clicking on the radio button and submit, we can now see that this is the PowerShell script that is being executed in the background when loading your performance figures. If you're required to edit this, you can copy and paste this from this page into a text editor of your choice and rename and re-upload, which will now be demonstrated. On here now you have the New Query option. Here you can select a file as described previously. You can copy and paste into a new file and create any sort of file that you require. We'll now take a look at uploading a new file. So we can upload a new file and upload the file. Please find your query uploaded and now return back to the home page. This carries forward for editing the query, the principle is exactly the same. It should be noted here that in the PDF document there is a table containing all of the file names for uploading these queries. Thank you very much for watching this short video presentation. I've been Paul. Thank you very much.